How to delete a post on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to delete a post on TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch TikTok, tap profile, and then navigate to the post that you want to delete. So suppose if this is a post that you want to delete, simply tap on the share icon or the three dots icon at bottom right corner of the screen and a menu will appear. You can easily swipe and then look for the option of delete. So at the bottom right, you can easily find the delete icon. You need to tap on delete and then confirm the deletion of this post by tapping the delete. So restore post within 30 days from activity center in settings. So it means that if you wish to restore this post, you can easily repost or restore this post within 30 days from activity centers in settings. So that is how we can easily permanently delete a post on TikTok after 30 days. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.